So we launched our kayaks from Garniers Beach and we're headed to Laguna Beach here.
You didn't say hello, Beach Bums.
Oh, hi Beach Bums.
Hi, Beach Bums. We almost forgot our intro. So that was Laguna Beach, our first stop.
Oh, I see. Okay. So just kind of navigate to the left right there.
This was the most fun I've had on the kayaks. We were in familiar water in the Fort Walton Beach area and it was really fun.
This was nice. You guys will notice that we're gonna go under the lowest part of the bridge here, and the reason we're going in that last opening is for people that may be fishing from the bridge. They don't always fish between the signs, or maybe the line gets a little off. Whatever. This is the safest place to stay away from fishing lines. So I recommend.
Definitely beware of the rocks.
Yeah,
Hug the side right there with the.
yeah, you want to stay closer to the pylons so that you're not going to scrape rocks. The deeper part of that.
It's really cool going under the bridge.
Yeah, there's a boat launch there, Beach Bones, right there as we're coming out from under the Cinco Bridge. So if you want to come over this way and you've got a bigger boat, you can launch it right here by the Cinco Bayou Bridge. You'll hear some beefy motors here in a second from somebody firing up their boat. And there's Francis Park right there to the left.